If you're serious about electronics repair, PCB work, or fixing smartphones, then this might be one of the best budget tools you can add to your setup. Today, we're taking a look at the JCD 8898 2-in-1 soldering station, a powerful combo that includes both a soldering iron and a hot air rework station in one unit. And for the price, this thing is seriously impressive. Let's start with what makes it special. This is a 2-in-1 workstation, meaning you get an 80W soldering iron for precise work, and a 750W hot air gun for rework tasks like removing ICs, SMD components, or fixing mobile boards. So whether you're doing basic soldering or advanced chip-level repair, this setup has you covered. Now let's talk about temperature control. The soldering iron supports 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, while the hot air gun ranges from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, giving you a lot of flexibility depending on your task. It also uses PID temperature control technology, which helps maintain stable and accurate heat levels, so you don't damage sensitive components. And yes, there's a digital LCD display, so you can easily monitor and adjust temperatures in real time. Another great feature is the fast heating speed. You don't have to wait long to get started. Plus, it includes an automatic sleep function, which helps extend the life of the tool and improves safety when it's not in use. It's also designed with anti-static protection, which is super important when working on delicate electronics like PCBs, smartphones, or IC chips. And if you're into precision work, it even supports intelligent calibration, giving you better control and accuracy over time. So whether you're a DIY electronics enthusiast, phone repair technician, or someone building their own repair station, this is a solid all-in-one solution. Now let's talk about the price. Right now, the JCD 8898 soldering station is available for just $26.42, which is 62% off the original price. For a 2-in-1 soldering plus hot air station, that's honestly a great deal. If you want to grab one, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tools, repair gear, and awesome gadget deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.